The Admission Nursing Cardex is used to systematically record a patient's medical and personal history upon admission, serving as a comprehensive guide for ongoing patient care. To record patient details on the Admission Nursing Cardex, follow these steps. Select the patient in admission. Click on Actions and select Inpatient Charts. On the menu, select Admission Nursing Cardex as shown. On the Admission Nursing Cardex window, fill in the required details as follows. Input the exact date and time when the patient was admitted and when the details were recorded. This is critical for tracking the patient's timeline of care. Record the primary diagnosis or reason for the patient's admission. This provides insight into the patient's current condition and helps guide their treatment plan. On the History of Current Disease field, document a detailed description of the patient's current illness, including when symptoms began, severity, and any treatments already initiated. The past medical surgical history captures relevant past medical conditions, surgical procedures, and any chronic illnesses that might impact current care. Record any known allergies to food or medication. This is crucial for preventing allergic reactions during treatment. Note any family history of hereditary or chronic illnesses that could be relevant to the patient's condition. Document details about the patient's lifestyle on the social and economic history. If the patient is female, capture any relevant obstetric history, including pregnancies, deliveries, and any complications. For pediatric patients, document the patient's developmental milestones, growth patterns, and any concerns related to their development. Record findings from the initial physical examination of the patient, including vital signs and any noticeable abnormalities or issues related to the patient's health. Indicate the name of the nurse or healthcare professional who completed the admission assessment for accountability and traceability. Click the Add button to save the completed Admission Nursing Cardex in the patient's record. To view the Admission Nursing Cardex, click on the print icon as shown. You can also delete the entry by clicking on the delete icon, and the confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears.